Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and for this one I'm going to be unboxing the Fish Upon the Sky DVD box set. I'm late to the game, but you gotta save up money. I have bills to pay. Sorry for the glare, it's gonna disappear hopefully soon. But here's the DVD box set. It just says Fish Upon the Sky, and then on top is the title again, but in Thai. Here's the side from GMMTV. Here's the back, little thing, so cute. That's how much I paid for it, I guess. I'll post it how much it was that I paid for it anyway. But here's this. Oh, here's the top. It's just blue, and the bottom is just blue. Oh, it's thick. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Here it is. It's like a film. I believe you just pop it off. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Oh wait, no. Is it just? Oh, okay. So you open it like this. Oh, okay. Oh, fancy. Okay. So then, I wish there was like a string here that you could like. Oh, do you pull this up? Oh, I'm so confused. Okay. So this thing pops out a little bit right here, as you can tell. It just pops out a little bit. So without me actually hitting the tripod, let me go ahead and try and get this. Wait, I'm hitting things. Get everything out. Okay. So it comes out like this to display it, and then you push this back in. Okay, and that's it. So that was like this. We're gonna put this back. Put this aside. And then here's everything that comes with it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is on top. They're like these little posters. And nothing on the back. Get this one. Oh, and then you get this. Oh my gosh. I wish that was a real signature. Cute. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is the photo book. What's inside? Oh my gosh. What is inside? What are these? Stickers? Okay. Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, it's the official photo book. Let's look at these stickers. Or what is this? I think it's a standee. I gave up on it. Let's just put it to the side for now. Alright, we'll look at the photo book next. Yes. Photo book. So here's the photo book. Let's zoom in a little bit. Ooh. Just a little bit. Okay, here's the photo book. Here's the front. Here's the back. Oh my gosh, the crease. Oh, it's fine, I guess. And you open and you get these. What are these? Postcards? Ooh. Was that it? Yeah, okay. Alright, so the little pocket came with these postcard thingies. So you have this one. Oh, okay, so they are like postcards. Okay, so you have this one. Cute. Oh, you have all of them. There's a little mix. Oh my gosh. Framing it. Loving it. And then you get this one, which is just a see-through one, which is them too. Okay. Pop off. Just that. And then now we're getting to the photo book. It says Fish Upon the Sky is like love beyond reach, impossible for them, however it is possible. that was so cute. Yes, I liked as well that they included like here, they included like quotes from like this scene, bruh. And if you didn't know or you couldn't tell, my favorite couple in this one is obviously NeoLouis. And like, how can you not like them? Obviously, come on now. Where is that scene? This one. Dan and Mean. Oh my gosh, he's asking him to be his boyfriend. Oh, that's so cute. Anyway, so that was this. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then lastly, we have the DVDs. Obviously, it wouldn't be a DVD box set without the DVDs. So we have a behind the scenes and music video. Oh, sorry. Here's the front. Comes with 7 DVDs. Just by GMMTV. Yeah. Okay. So you open it, and you have behind the scenes and music video. And then you have disc 1 and disc 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. These include the episode. Oh my gosh, I love how the little characters. Oh, so cute. That was that. Oh my gosh, love the blue. So blue. That was that. Oh gee, so cute. Let me get everything back into the screen. Give me one moment. There are like little things on the side that you can buy. I bought the color changing cup tumbler. That's like part of this show, but you have to buy it separately. So I bought it, and oh my gosh, it's so cute, and it changes color. So when it gets cold, it turns to dark blue. But yeah, there's this and there's that. Oh my gosh, so cute. If you haven't already watched it, like, go watch the series. That's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go watch the series. It's really cute, and you'll love it. Bye.